Greek Yoghurt Panna Cotta with Berry Coulis is probably one of my favorite desserts that we've created because it's high in protein, low in sugar, so good. Let me show you just how quick and easy this dish is. So now that our sugar and gelatin is all mixed up, we're gonna add our Greek yogurt. So I mentioned earlier that this makes this such a healthy panna cotta, much healthier than a traditional panna cotta. And I just love the added benefit of it being much higher in protein as well. Now, you might be wondering, but does it taste as good as a traditional panna cotta? And I'm here to promise you that it absolutely does. Our vanilla bean paste goes in. I just measure that with my heart because I don't ever think you can have too much vanilla bean paste in desserts. So now that our coulis mixture is made, we're going to put it in some ramekins. You just want to pour it in evenly. It's that easy. So that is our panna cotta ready to go in the fridge now. They set for about 4 hours to overnight. We make our coulis and that's all you have to do. You're gonna follow me. This is so awkward. We're gonna make our coulis. Now you can use either fresh or frozen berries for this, whatever's convenient for you. That's our berry coulis all done now. All right, this goes in the fridge. It's very hot. It's like 200 degrees. Oh, it's so good. Oh. It's okay, it's still good, it's still good. Obviously, we ideally wouldn't accidentally flip it as we're trying to get it out of the mold, but at least it's one solid, beautiful looking panna cotta. I'm just gonna clean the plate up a little bit. Perfect. And then we have our coulis, our berry coulis that we made. And I'm just gonna spoon some of that over the top. How beautiful does that look? Very high in protein, delicious, and so easy to make.